All right, guys, so we cleaned this stone last year, and it kind of sort of needed to be repainted then, but it didn't get done, which is fine. They're actually repainting this time, so if you can see where I've knocked the paint off where the old algae was. Sometimes all that stuff won't come off. You guys can see where it's still black in a few places. You know, we've applied chemical, and we've applied a little bit of pressure to it. Not a whole lot of pressure. We're not, you know, on this synthetic stucco, I believe it's 600 psi, which is what we use. If I'm not mistaken, that's what I remember reading was 600 psi. You know, on the stucco, some people say 3,000, but there's just absolutely zero need for that. So you can see even with 600, I mean, we took a little bit of the paint off just where all that stuff was running, and our clients are going to be happy. They're going to get everything out here, take care of it, get it painted, and go from there. So definitely, if you guys need us, give us a call, 478-697-1262. We'll be glad to take care of you and any of your apartment complex needs, commercial needs, residential. We do it all, guys. Have a good day.